Hello dear parents, good morning. AISSEE 2025 key A, B, C, D set 2025 AISSEE for 6th class key. It is what we are presenting here. Yesterday and day before yesterday already we kept in Kranti Keen YouTube channel separately, set wise separately key already it was there. Please go through once. This key is related to all sets together. In reasoning, 2 questions compared to others, we are climbing different options because we have expert faculty. So that's why 2 reasoning related questions we are climbing different options. That's it. Okay. AISSEE 2025 6th class related all set together key it is. Please go through once. Thank you.